Muhammad bin Yusuf narrates, I set out with my companions to visit a friend. When we arrived at his place, he said, My neighbor's brother has passed away, so let us go and offer our condolences. We got up and went to the grieving man. When we reached him, we found him weeping bitterly and wailing in distress. We sat down, expressed our sorrow, and tried to console him, but he neither accepted our comfort nor stopped mourning. We said to him, Do you not know that death is inevitable? No one can escape it. He replied, Yes, I understand, but I am crying for the reason my brother is being punished, morning and evening. We asked, Has Allah informed you of the unseen? He said, No, but when we buried him and leveled the soil over his grave, everyone left, but I remained near his grave. Suddenly I heard a voice coming from inside. Have you all abandoned me? I am suffering in torment. I was shocked because my brother used to pray and fast. His words made me cry, and I decided to open his grave to see what had happened. As soon as I uncovered it, flames burst out from inside. Around his neck was a collar of fire. My love for my brother overwhelmed me with grief, so I reached out to remove the burning collar from his neck, but my fingers got scorched and my hands burned. He then showed us his blackened, burnt hand as proof. I covered the grave again and returned, and ever since I have been weeping in sorrow for his condition. We asked, What sin did your brother commit in his lifetime? He replied, He never used to give Zakat, charity,